Hello and welcome to Algebra. Today we're going to be applying what we've been learning about exponential functions now to compound interest. Now compound interest, there are several formulas that you could use. The most common ones involve just an annual interest. This is going to be a pretty full version of the compound interest formula, and it includes when it can be compounded, maybe several times a year. Semi-annually, quarterly, could be monthly. So several different versions, and this will encompass all of those. So we're going to find the balance in each account after the given period. There's $4,000 principal, 6% compounded annually after 5 years. So again, this is P, the principal. So $4,000 is initially invested. Earning 6%, so 1 plus the 6%. Now it's annually, so that's one time every year. So N is going to be 1. And then how many years? It's going to be 5 years. All right, we can simplify this a little bit. 4,000 times 1 and 6/100. This is 6/100 plus 1 is 1 and 6/100 to the 5th power. So now we're just going to pull up the calculator. One of the new Common Core standards is that we're supposed to use tools appropriately. This is a very appropriate situation where we would use a calculator. You have some sort of a decimal that's going to be raised to a power. In that sort of a situation, you'd really need to use a calculator. It would be a much more efficient way to do it. So start with 1 and 6/100. And we're going to raise that to the 5th power. Now we're going to multiply that by 4,000. And that will give us $5,352.90. $5,352.90, and that is it. Let's try another one. Okay, now we're going to look at number 20. The principal is $13,500. Now the interest rate is 3 3/10%, so we're going to have to move the decimal left twice. How many times are we compounding it a year? Well, it's monthly, so that's going to be 12. It's 1 year, so we're going to do times 1. We're going to just divide this out. This is 275 hundred thousandths. All right. And this is going to be raised to the 12th power. And then times 13,500. So we have 13,952 and 30 cents. And that is how we use compound interest, especially if it's compounded over a semi-annual, quarterly, or monthly time period.